we have a lot of systems in police. Like one important system is a beat system. So we had signed an MOU with Goa Engineering College in February for a collaboration and mutual sharing of resources. So carrying forward this MOU, we have decided as a joint venture we will create an e-beat book system. So to create an e-beat book system, we can approach the industry or the software field to develop it. But we thought we will directly talk to the students who will be able to develop it as a special software and in a competitive mode. So Honorable Prime Minister and our CM sir and our DGP sir has asked to find out the solutions from our own educational institutions. So to bridge the gap between the government agencies and the educational institutions, where educational institutions themselves are able to give the solutions to the organizations, we have come here. We have asked the students here who are studying in the GEC IT department to find out a solution to make the beat system online, which will help in better surveillance and supervision over the officers in the police department.
So what was the response of our students?
Students are very excited. We have given them 20 days of time. We have given them the requirements. Now we will have a continuous interaction and the best will be given suitable rewards, and all the participants will be given certificates as well.
Very important challenge. This will have two advantages for us. One is we are working on a live project which will help the state of Goa. Second, we are creating employment. So we don't have to go ask our students to attend interviews and participate in various other placement activities. Here is an opportunity for them to become a startup, which is the main thrust of our Chief Minister and also of our Prime Minister. So keeping in line with the national requirements of having our own startup to do well, we are joining hands with the Department of Police and they have come forward to help us.